Ngayong Pebrero, sari-sari mga konsyerto ang ating pwedeng puntahan. Subalit kung ang nais ay at hanap nyo ay throwback ng mga tugtugan, narito ang The Love Playlist Carpenters and Platters. Saan nga ba ito at kailan mangyayari? Alamin natin sa eksklusibong panayam sa The Family Sound of Platters sa report ni John Miranda.
Isa lang ito sa mga awiting pakakaabangan sa grupong The Fabulous Sound of the Platters sa kanilang dalawang gabing concert sa Linggo sa Midas Tent at sa Lunes naman sa Kia Theater. Ang The Platters sa isang American vocal group. Isa sila sa mga pinakamatagumpay na vocal groups ng early rock and roll era sa buong mundo. Naipakilala nila sa maraming bansa ang mga awiting Only You, You'll Never Never Know, Smoke Gets in Your Eyes, One in a Million, I'll Never Smile Again, Hard to Get a Thing Called Love, Twilight Time, The Great Pretender, at napakarami pang iba.
The group obviously has come here many times before, and I wasn't with them then. I got with the Buck Ram Platters, let me be more specific. That was out of it's the Five Platters Incorporated, managed by Buck Ram and Samuel Buck Ram. And he was the owner, the writer for all the songs, and also 1952, the group was there. He's the one that actually brought in Zola Taylor, which is the only female at that time. She was 14 years old.
The solo and group, you know, I've grown up music, you know, grew up with the music that we listened to as kids, but music's been my life. So it's you know, it's funny when you say try to practice and rehearse and work there. We don't consider it work. It's natural to us. You know, we love this, and then we just bring out.
Isang karangalan naman para kay Savannah McClendon ang makasama sa grupo.
Absolutely. I have two. I have like exactly 4 big brothers watching my back every minute. When Donnie called me, well, I'm younger than them, but I've been with the group for 10 years. So you know, he's molded me. He's been my mentor. It's amazing working with all the guys. They're great.
What can you say about the music today?
Well, we've
Today,
all been in the business since we can.
Music today?
We've been in this business since we could crawl, basically. And you know, we say time and time again, these songs are timeless. Or they say over here they're evergreen. They're good for a long time. They're good forever. And you know, and we appreciate today's music too. We perform. You know, we all have bands, other bands, and we perform today's music. But you listen to sometimes a lot today's music, they borrow from the old stuff.
Hindi lamang ang Fabulous Sound of the Platters ang mga harana sa dalawang gabing concert, kundi maging ang tribute group ng Carpenters na nagtatampok sa singer na si Laura Briggs at ang kanyang malakaran Carpenter na tinig. Ito ang pangalawang pagkakataon na magtatanghal ang Fabulous Sound of the Platters sa Pilipinas. At ito naman ang first time ng Carpenters tribute group. Natutuwa raw sila dahil gusto nila ang mga Pilipino na ang hilig talaga ay musika.
It's the spirit. Let it soar, you know, let it soar. So if you feel like you can sing, you may not make any money at it, but don't let anyone discourage you from singing. It makes you feel good. If it makes you feel good, I'm not talking about everything that makes you feel good. I'm talking about music now. I'm talking about singing.
Thank you. Thank you.